Have you seen it yet? The Stihl KMA 135 battery powered Kombi powerhead. Battery powered Kombi powerhead. So forget about it. I don't need my mix. Forget about it. I don't need my motor mix. I'm not going to throw the gas. What I do need is this awesome AP300, AP300S, AP200 battery. It's going to pop right in here like so. And voila, I'm juiced up, I'm ready to go. This is a professional series trimmer, guys. This thing has power. It's putting out around 1.5 horsepower. It's equivalent or more power than the KM111. Maybe you're familiar with that. So this has the power to run really any of the attachments I want. And it's the Kombi, right? We've talked about this many times. I've got this wing knob here, and I can put up to 13, 14 different attachments. We got a cultivator. We got a string trimmer, we got a brush cutter, we got an edger, we got a hedge trimmer right here today in front of me. Look at this thing. Whew. It is beautiful. What this will cut is sick. So, hey, maybe you got blackberries, your neighbor's blackberries are growing over the fence. This gives you that ability to carve them back. Well, what am I gonna run it on? I'm gonna run it on the Stihl KMA 135. Let's just slide this in here, like so. Tighten the wing knob up. Give it a push, let's activate it here. You'll see those 3 green lights came on. Full throttle control, so I can go very slowly and rev that up. Really slick. This hedge trimmer is awesome on here. It balances well. I love the power that it has, and I love the fact with the hedge trimmer, they cut so clean, its runtime is insane. So we got the hedge trimmer. We have maybe an edger. You want those nice, crisp lines. There's something that makes your lawn pop. One of these days, we're going to do a video on just an edge reclaim. You know, a grow over. And the 2 best tools, the edger and the reciprocator. We've shown the reciprocator before, but I love the edger. Personally, it's something that I have to have at my house to define my edges. Let's get this out of the way. And maybe you have some brush to cut. So we have the Stihl brush cutter attachment. This will take all kinds of different blades. This blade, in my opinion, is not very legit. We've got better blades here at Carl's Mower to check out if you're trying to own the blackberries or own the salmonberries or the reed canary grass. You just want to push it back. The brush cutter attachment. Again, 13 plus different attachments that'll fit on this Stihl KMA 135, putting out over 1.5 horses of power. It's lightweight, it's quiet. Hey, I probably don't need my earmuffs. I still am gonna want my eye protection, probably face protection right here if I'm running the brush cutter attachment, maybe if I'm running that edger attachment. I'm gonna pop this on. It's really comfortable to use. The vibration's less, the noise is less, the instant grab and go versatility. You're probably gonna pick this machine up with a couple batteries, so you got an extra fuel tank sitting around, and you're going to pick up a fast charger, an AL300. That'll charge this battery in less than an hour. It's going to come with a shoulder strap, really help balance that thing out. But honestly, there's not a lot that we need to do to this thing. We've got a tool that's going to come with it that's going to allow me to maybe change where my handle's placed, or where my shoulder strap hanger's placed. You've got a little filter here for all the incoming cooling air, but that's really not going to get dirty. What do you do with this? It's battery powered. You just put a new battery in and you go. On the attachments, there is some things, and I'm not going to go over each attachment today, but these are all commercial grade attachments. They are the same attachments that fit the gas powered stuff. So they're not light duty. These are the real deal. So on the hedge trimmer, we have a grease point right here. This little screw comes out. We've got a little cool tube of grease. Let's just grab it off screen just a minute. We've got this cool little tube of grease that'll thread right in there. And then the blades, they need to be lubricated once in a while. Stihl makes their resin remover spray. Spray those down. Edger, really nothing. This is sealed. You don't do anything. You got a new blade once in a while. And since I have the brush cutter in front of me, obviously blades need to be replaced. And then we have another grease point right here. This plug will come out. A tube like this, not this. They have 2 tubes of grease, 2 different ones. Will thread into there. These should both be greased around every 40 or 50 hours just to give you a baseline. So they're there we go. Check it out, the Stihl KMA 135R battery Kombi powerhead. Maybe you already have a gas one. This is a great addition. You know, maybe you want to use this around the front yard, the yard, and maybe you got 20 acres that you need to grab the gas one, or maybe you got someone in your life that can't start a weed eater anymore. I love it. This has become one of our hottest products at Carl's Mower and Saw. I was really excited when it came out, and I'm excited to continue to see this machine perform well for people's needs. Check out the full line of Stihl powered equipment at Carl's Mower and Saw or your local Stihl dealer, where we're here to set you up with the right products for your job. Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.